What are we doing right now? Okay, we're gonna put the soap in there, right? Close it. Close the microwave. Alright. Let's see. Let's put it... Alright, look at the soap. Let's see what happens.
Does it have to spin?
No, it doesn't have to. Look, Aiden! Whoa! Oh my god!
You leave it in there for all 5 minutes?
No, you leave it until it gets really big. Aiden, what is happening?
Smells good.
Aiden, is that cool? Yeah. Whoa, whoa, it's getting even bigger. How big should we let it get?
I think it's big enough.
I see it getting bigger though.
Getting big in the back.
Yeah. Alright, should we take it out or should we wait a little bit? You want to take it out?
Yeah.
Alright, let's hit stop. Oh no, it's shrinking.
Is it hot?
Oh, cool. Alright, Aiden.
Oh,
Let's-
it's everywhere.
Ooh,
It's not in the microwave.
it's soap, so if anything, it's gonna clean it. Alright, so now let's go take a bath with it.
Now you take a bath with it?